So I don't know why them have to burying her out. She said, you get me? Killing one everywhere. But the girl just talk her mind. So I just have to come to you if you ask your pastor. How it look to you about that pastor with this little young girl?
People production.
Vlog and the go, me a vlog and the go. I have some information for you to know.
Welcome to Lionfoot TV at the right place, so let's don't go nowhere.
Yes, hello, my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself and Lionfoot once more. Yeah, man, big up on yourself, all my kings and queens, all my lion and my lioness. Yeah, man, big up Koffee. Big up Rudie Irie in the defense of Koffee, you know what I mean? Yes, so Rudie Irie came out speaking, and he took it so deeply that he went to the pastor, you know, Rudie started go church, see, to serve the Lord, the Creator. See, so Rudie put it to the pastor, and the pastor gave his view. Also, Rudie gave his view. See, but my personal view is Koffee. You know, she there's no need to be backlashing her because some people are illiterate and stupid and difficult and biased and jealous and selfish. See, so Koffee made a post. Condolence to George Floyd and his families them as again, you know what I mean? And congratulations to Koffee on her Grammy winning once more, you see me? Yeah, so she made a post on Instagram, saying put up George Floyd picture, and she says, as we witness the constant injustice towards our brothers and sisters, we must stand together. I may be young, but I can fully feel the weight of the decades of oppression and abuse towards not only black Americans, but black people all over the world. Let George Floyd's life be not in vain. We must fight for freedom and fight against injustice. We are all in this together. None of us are free until all of us are free. Hashtag George Floyd. See? I don't see nothing wrong with that. You know what I mean? Everybody, I see them all a backlash. Spice versus Spice the America march and she never did that at Jamaica and blah blah blah. I agree, say violence in Jamaica turn up here and people need to go out there and protest. You know what I mean? And in the come leave the police, make them do them job. And weed out the bad police them to Jamaica, not just America, all over. See? Yeah, so Koffee, no, I say Koffee do nothing wrong here, so she never make no post wrong here, so on her post, what she says very, 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 very highly, you know what I mean, highly credible and highly respected, you know what I mean, of George Floyd and his family and supportive, get me? So the people are backlash her for. What I tell you is us, black people just fight against one another for no reason at all, when we should be supporting. But anyway, see, make you hear Rudie and say now, big up Rudie Irie. Yeah, man, boss.
Pastor, a young lady in Jamaica, she's a musician by the name of Koffee. She do a thing and put up on her social media thing, and people going there and fast and hear the girls say about that guy in America with a kid. You get me? Yeah.
That's right, yeah.
So after she put it on now, Pastor, you have some whole heap of people in our own country, a blogger and a bunner out say, she not defend what go on at Jamaica, the whole heap of thing. But she got in America, she a defend man in America. You get me? Why she never deal with the people? Look what killing going on in Jamaica. Wish me as a pastor, the girl even frightened in Jamaica. You get me? To Jamaica go on. So the girl a defend, a black she a defend. She a defend not one nation. She a defend black people. So I don't know why them have to burying her out. She said, you get me? Killing one everywhere. But the girl just talk her mind. So I just have to come to you if you ask your pastor. How it look to you about that pastor with this little young girl?
No, Rod, this is actually a phenomenon thing. It's like wildfire. It's everywhere.
Yeah.
In any place. People are now reacting about systemic racism, which has actually been going on in the whole of the entire world, wherever you find black people.
Yeah.
They essentially said, we're not going to have this anymore. So I really applaud the young lady in Jamaica speaking up against it.
Yeah.
That's what it's all about.
She have speak against black
people
yeah.
shouldn't people shouldn't, like, it could have happened to you in America. It could have happened to me in America. So now is the moment to speak about it. That we're not any longer going to tolerate this as black people, as decent thinking people.
No longer do we want to be disenfranchised.
Exactly. No longer are we going to compromise this
So
stupidity.
I come to you with the respect and manners, because watching it, and I see them I burn out. I use my pastor, so I come to you could give me a good advice. Cause I don't see the girl talk about the black youth where them kill. Alright, she talk about Jamaica, see him with song. Say no war no fi go on to Jamaica, no little picking up to kill. No man no fi kill no woman and them thing that. You get me? Some man, most people are saying to you in a pastor, but she just come out, a young little girl like that. Why some next people never come out? So what do you think about that now? This young girl with them burning out and I say bad things. So she shouldn't say those things. She should defend Jamaica. What do you say about that?
Rod, I think it's really terrible for people to pick on her. She's doing a great service for the whole of the nation.
Yeah.
For the whole of the brotherhood and sisterhood of Africans and black people.
Yeah.
They shouldn't attack her needlessly. There's no need for it. Seriously.
Just leave her alone, right?
Absolutely.
Leave her alone.
Unity.
And my prayers will go out for her.
We need unity.
She was in, exactly. She was in something
And
amazing.
just peace and love, me saying a pastor. Peace and love, yeah?
Absolutely.
One black, one black, one black.
One love, my brother.
Yeah, one black. I'm out. Koffee, big up yourself. Call him can't hold you. Koffee, big up yourself. Jamaica, we love you. The whole world.
Big up Lionfoot, subscribe to the channel now. Represented from Afghanistan families. Yo, peace out.